We'll talk to your children about cyber safety. It's important to build trust, so if your child is concerned about something they see on the internet, they can ask you without fear or reprisal. We'll help them understand the dangers associated with being on the web, and don't be afraid to ask them if they have come across anything out of ordinary online. Well, to know more information, we have Mr. Ashish, content writer. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I am able to hear you.
Well, thank you so much for joining us on live, sir.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you, sir. Well, sir, I would like to ask you, well, as we are talking about online classes, well, how are online classes? Are online classes stressful? How is online school affecting mental health of the students?
Yeah, this is an interesting question to start with. The present scenario necessitates the online classes to the students.
Right.
Because of the lockdown, so many schools have not yet been reopened, and the government also has not issued any particular order regarding the reopening.
Right.
Because it is left to the state government's discretion. The central government has issued guidelines that each state has to take into account the peculiar conditions which are prevailing in that particular state, and they have to take decisions
Right.
using that particular discretion.
Yes.
And so here in the twins in Telugu states also, the schools have not yet been reopened. So there is some necessity for the continuation of education. So
Right.
the online schooling has been, in vogue presently.
Right.
And this particular education, as you are saying, is really stressful because the very mode of sending or transmitting or providing the knowledge is through the electronic gadgets.
Yes,
which
especially to the
continues-
students, it is actually a very different scenario to students, parents and teachers, but for children it's very difficult because as it is a tender age to them, and having an online class is like complete different.
Yes, really, as you say, for the children who are really tender, younger, and
Yes.
who are really so delicate.
It's a complete different thing.
Yes, it's a completely different setting, and previously they are not used to this type of learning also. That
Yes.
also makes them face this type of education with a lot of stress, anxiety, and a kind of so many things will be revolving around their minds.
Definitely.
Because they were used to sitting before their teachers
Yes.
and receiving the knowledge,
Right.
which is really the best way of getting the knowledge for the student. Because
Right.
the personal presence of the teacher makes everything so easy.
Right.
The very presence of the teacher makes everything so easy, and so the transmission of knowledge takes place quite unconsciously. But here, the student has to make some emphasis upon himself that he has to spend some time before the system, tune his mind according to the dictates of this particular mode or mechanism, and then receive knowledge through it. So it's going to be really taxing upon them. I hope you will agree with me.
Definitely.
And moreover, apart from this kind of physical stress which they are subjected to, there are so many other factors which the educationists have and psychologists have late been telling to the society that there is a kind of self-isolation, depression, and
Right.
other things are going on in
Right.
the minds of the students because they are kept aloof from the society. They cannot meet with their peer group.
Yes.
And they have a sense of being left to themselves because in some homes, due to the economic necessity, both the parents are leaving the home and the children are made to stay in the house, and they are there to take care of the online classes themselves.
Right.
So they have to enter into that Zoom meeting by themselves. They have to really do it. So it is going to be really difficult.
Right.
And in some cases where parents are in a position to sacrifice their duties, there the effect is both on the students as well as the parents.
Right.
There one of the parents or both of them have to be with the student. They have to adjust everything according to the necessity. And even after the class also, they have to work with the student for some time. They have to, read out the lessons to him because online class is going to be very, very difficult.
Especially for the parents, right? Because they have to, cope up with the syllabus, as there will be some net issues also in between, right?
Definitely, as you have been
I guess
mentioning,
that
I've
is
seen
the
in so many
major
cases.
problem in these online classes.
Yeah, that too, we should not forget that most of us, not only few of us live in the urban places. I mean,
Right.
most towns are semi-urban places, not to speak of the rural settings. This problem of Wi-Fi connectivity is very much there. Even
Yes.
in our very metros also, sometimes we do encounter such a problem.
Right.
Then what to speak of the bandwidth regarding the semi-towns or towns in making? That's going to make a huge difference for the student. It will really be a trouble upon him because the classes will be getting on and he will not be in a position to cope up with that
Right.
because of this inadequacy. So many things are there. And apart from that, of late, most of the students are having a kind of optical problem,
Right.
even in the normal course of their living, because the life has become so stressful and pollution is playing its own part, and there is a lot of physical inactivity with the students. So all these things, and primarily the nutritious food is not being given to them. So all these things make this vision uh, become lesser and lesser with every passing year, and added to that, if they are subjected to such online education, naturally they will have a very thicker lens
Right.
at short notice. That is also a kind of worry for the parents. It's a kind of real worry for them because they want their children to be free from specs, but nowadays everyone is having, 1 out of 4 is having such problem.
Right. I definitely agree with you. Also,
Yeah.
well, talking about the students, what kind of mental impact or pressure does online classes build among students and also teachers? I would also point out students, teachers, and parents. Well, it is, it is not only about students, it is about
Yes,
students, teachers, as well as parents,
yes.
because
Actually,
everyone are equally responsible and everyone are taking the same pressure.
yes, actually, as you have mentioned, rightly mentioned, it's a triangular effect.
Right.
Teachers, students, and parents, all the three groups are equally involved and equally affected also.
Right.
And I would say the most affected people are the teachers also, because
Definitely.
they have the real concern to give the knowledge to the students. By their very nature, they want to transmit the knowledge. But due to this newfound method of transmitting knowledge, most of them are put to a lot of stress and trouble also.
And also
Because
there
they,
should be a difference in teaching also, because there should be some creativity, because obviously students will get bored with the same online classes.
definitely, because in the
Yes.
classroom, most of the times they were being given so much on moral ethics and
Right.
other things. But now, because they are into a particular scenario, here they are made to give only that particular lesson and not
Right.
to go beyond that. And
Exactly.
even the time restrictions will be there. Then they are not able to exactly connect themselves with that particular student with whom they have to work with or correct with. So all
Right.
these things are there. Some hundred, it will be flashing over the screen. The screen will be it will be so tiny that the teacher is not in a position to identify who is requesting for their help or not. So
Definitely.
this also I have personally noticed. And all these things really put the teachers also under great pressure. And not to speak of the students. And the worst affected group includes the parents also, who have to really sacrifice their professional hours to take
Right.
care of their children or wards. Because otherwise, which the children cannot really cope up with this type of education and they lag behind.
Right.
Parents always have one thing. The deepest concern for the parents is that their children should never lag behind the others.
Definitely.
That that drives them to take up the extra trouble and make their child on par with others.
Yes.
So all these things are there. This triangular effect can only be minimized or eliminated completely only if the schools reopen at the earliest. That is
Right.
the only option left to us, because there is no substitute for the classroom teaching. Which
Definitely.
the,
I agree with you.
yeah, that is the only thing. So we expect the school authorities or the government officials to look into such a problem and take some steps to ensure that some type of schooling takes place in the normal way with all the precautions and other things, because anyhow now everyone is habituated to social distancing,
Yeah.
then personal
Mask and
sanitation.
sanitizer. Yes.
then masking themselves. All these things have become now quite natural.
Right. Also,
So,
as we are talking about this, well, yes, as you said that everyone are getting normal with the sanitization, social distancing and all these stuff. Well, I would like to ask you, well, children at tender age are usually, they are used to, having fun in the class, having recession time and all. But now everything has been changed. Well, the complete scenario has been changed, right? So how will the students react to this new normal? Do you think they get back to this new normal?
no, they are finding it very difficult because the classroom can never be substituted with this online teaching or methodology.
Right.
The fun which they have in the classrooms, the interaction with the fellow students, actually the exchange of knowledge or the process of knowledge involves the peer group also, where after the class they talk to each other and only while doing so they clear their doubts, and sometimes what is not understood by one student will be communicated to the other. The entire the ambience itself is quite different.
Right.
They will be fresh, they will be ready to receive the knowledge, and a sense of attentiveness comes once
Because
the
that
teacher
is
enters
a
the
very
classroom.
complete scenario, right? Getting
Yes.
used to this new normal is like
Yes.
completely different.
Completely different.
Yes.
So all these things are really there, and one has to be very particular to ensure that all these things take place in a methodical way. The online classes are helpful only for the mature students, professional group, or even beyond for the research students who require little guidance. They work upon themselves mostly, and with little guidance from their professor or the lecturer, they get on with their work. But for the initiates, the students who are in the primary level or senior level,
Right.
they cannot do likewise. So they need everything, like they need to be pushed into that particular stream. Everything is new for them.
Yes.
So every day they try to receive some new knowledge from their teachers.
Right.
It is all something. All that excitement is off for the
Yes.
students. So fun-filled education, as you have said, has become really stressful education now.
Definitely.
So sometimes there is a tendency on the part of the students to even avoid studies completely because they are really getting bored with this particular pattern.
Yes.
Such complaints are also being received from some parents of late.
Right.
So such is the situation because classroom teaching is such a wonderful thing
Exactly.
that nothing can compensate for that.
Right.
So
Also,
this is how it is going on.
well, definitely. Also, sir, well, what kind of daily regular students and teachers need to adopt to get rid of stress due to these online classes? Well, basically, how do we have to deal with online social stress, school stress?
Yeah, this is a wonderful question which you have posed to me. The stress which is acquired by the students or the parents or the teachers has to be really eliminated by some process.
Right.
Because every day it is getting accumulated. So there should be some method or mechanism or process by which it should be deactivated or eliminated completely.
Right.
And the best thing is that we should advise the students to take up some creative activity like some music or some game or some interesting thing. Something we should make them focus upon, like reading books or some fairy tales, whereby the stress which is present in their minds will slowly drop off gradually, and they will be really fresh enough to receive something.
Right.
Because knowledge takes place only when the person is fit enough, fresh enough only. If the person is not interested or tuned to that particular level, he cannot receive the knowledge.
Right.
Only he will be sitting before the system. So all these things. Now I would tell you one important thing.
Definitely,
The online
sir.
education has brought about the glory, uniqueness and importance of the teachers to the whole world.
Definitely. I agree with your point, sir.
Yes, because previously it was not being considered by others. Now the whole world has acknowledged the glorious role that is being played by the teachers over so many years. They are
Exactly.
giving us so many things for the student. They are making him tune to that particular level, knowledge, taste, and the way of imbibing everything, it was being adjusted to every student.
Exactly, because
So,
it is completely different for the teacher, especially compared to the students. It is completely different for the teachers. Well, they have to get trained first and then train their students. And also, bearing such students, mischievous students online is
Yes.
like really tough.
very tough, very tough. So all these things really, that brings to my mind the importance. The teachers are considered to be the architects of the society.
Definitely.
They are the architects who build the society, the next generation, or the society to come in future. So the role is really being recognized, acknowledged by one and all. And the most important thing is teachers tirelessly they are working on this particular platform of giving knowledge. They
Yes.
are also learning the new methods to give it more effectively to the students.
Yes.
Now, if we observe, when they started the online classes, both the teachers as well as the students were struggling. But
Yes.
now, the teachers have found a rhythm and they are in a position to slowly come into terms with the students.
Right.
But the process, vice versa, is not possible because the students being very young and tender will not be in a position to understand or make it to that same level.
Yes, I do agree with you.
Yes. So there is a wonderful part that is being played by the teachers everywhere. They are
Right.
really working very hard. They are learning for themselves and
Yes.
again they are giving that particular knowledge through this new phone methods.
Yes.
So really one has to appreciate their tireless efforts.
Definitely. Well, thank you, Mr. Ashish, for joining us on live.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Well, moving ahead, verify all hyperlinks. If you have doubts, look at the domain in the URL and also verify your mouse arrow and ensure it is taking to you to the intended website. Well, secure your hardware. Make sure you're protecting your Wi-Fi network and devices around the house while patching and updating to the latest firmware and checking the brand and model for security risk. Well, it is also important to take default passwords and use passwords of significant strength with 3 of the following cases. Well, do not use words or deviations of words as passwords. Well, we have seen how the COVID pandemic has brought about phenomenal changes in the educational scenario. We meet again with some other developments. Keep watching CVR News English. This is Savira Kottapalli signing off.